Hello dear students, I Abhinav welcome you all on the faculty driven platform that is Resultant guys. In this particular session guys, we will be dealing with the complete chapter, the complete topic soil classification. And let me tell you guys one more thing. If you got or you are here in this link for the next 35 to 40 minutes, I will be explaining you soil classification in such a logic guys that in never ever in your life you will be forgetting the things, because very simple funda, the things, the concepts, the topics that you got to know from the depth of the concepts and from the complete logic, why this word is written here, why the name is like this only, why the name is not like this, why that particular theory is not applicable here. When you know all such things in the deepest of the concepts guys, of course you will be remembering those things forever. Everyone please let me know in the comment section guys, how is the Josh? And also guys, please tell me guys, audio video perfectly fine? Tell me everyone. Why that particular okay, it's fine. Okay, so guys, those who are new here, let me introduce myself guys. My name is Abhinav. I have done my MTech from IIT Delhi, got All India rank 164 in 2012. You have to score a better rank than this. These are my subjects guys, and you can also connect me in my Telegram group, that is Civil by Abhinav sir. Already guys, more than 6,200 students have joined here. So you can connect me in my Telegram group Civil by Abhinav sir, or my mail ID abhinav@resultant.in. Guys, HPCL exam is on 18th of August. Okay, so guys, the complete Resultant team is having the test series for that, 1+1. So one is the test series, okay, in which you will be HPCL Resultant test series, that is dedicated by our faculties. Okay, and one more practice set guys, in which subject matter experts, the previous toppers and everyone has contributed. So both of them you will be getting the free test series with rupees, how much I am not remembering, yeah, 399. Okay, so you can go to the Resultant app. Okay, the Resultant app you can download from the Play Store and you can get this. Also guys, from 11th of July our new batch is going to start. From 11th of July new batches are going to start, where I will be teaching you geotechnical engineering. Okay, so geotech I am starting. So you can, all the links are in the description box. The link of the app, okay, the Resultant app, Resultant Civil app is on the Play Store guys. It is either you can download from the Play Store or the link is in the description. You can download it and you can join the batches from 11th of July. Complete thing is there guys, live classes, recordings, everything is there that you should be requiring for cracking a GATE exam. Test series exactly like GATE platform, test series is there, PDF is there, formula book is there of all subjects, PYQ of with solution is there. Okay, study notes are there, each and everything you will be getting along with the live classes. Okay, so everything, either you can go enroll in the 25 batch, okay, 11 July, or you can go enroll in the target batch. Okay, vision batch means 25 and target batch means 26. Our batches are available in English and Hindi both. Okay, how are you Syam Babu? Very happy to see you. Now guys, let us start the chapter. I'm again saying guys, please listen to me for the next 25 to 30 minutes. If you are here in this link for next 25 to 30 minutes, I'm assuring you guys that each and everything you will be going to understood about the soil classification, and for always. You will never ever be going to forget the things then. Okay, after that you will never be going to forget. Ready everyone? Please like and share the session with all so that everyone can join. Now guys, whenever, suppose guys, the name of the soil can be 4-letter also, but if it is a 2-letter word, okay, prefix and suffix, it can be 4 letters. We'll be seeing those cases also. If it is a 2-letter word, then whenever in the prefix the G word will be used, it will be gravel. S will be used, it will be sand. M will be for silt, as S is already for sand. So for silt it will be M, for clay it will be C, for organic it will be O, for peat it will be PT. Okay guys. Now for suffix, if it is dull, W it is dull, the well graded, P for polygraded, M for silty, C for clay, and liquid limit is less than 35, it will be low compressible. 35 to 50 liquid limit, it will be intermediate compressible. Greater than 50, it will be high compressible. Guys, I am again telling you, each and everything I will be telling you from logic. Nothing you have to remember. Let me tell you I will tell you each and everything, but let me tell you first of all this thing. Guys, liquid limit means that water content after which soil behaves as a liquid. Shear strength is almost negligible. Okay, and it is less than 2.7 kilonewton per meter square. Shear strength of each and every soil is less than 2.7 at liquid limit. At liquid limit, guys, if you make the stress strain graph, at liquid limit, if you make the stress strain graph, guys, it will be like this. Without any stress strain will be happening. Without any stress strain will be happening. And liquid limit means that means you have added so much water. You have added so much water that, guys, now the soil is behaving as a liquid. It is not having any strength. Okay. Now, guys, usually what happens if voids are less in a soil, voids are less, then liquid limit of that soil is less. If voids are more, guys, if voids of a soil is more, then liquid limit will be more. Why, sir? Because, guys, if voids will be less, that means in less water the soil will be saturated because voids are very less, and further addition of water after some time it will become liquid limit. So soil which is having less voids, of course, they will have water, less water will be going in now to make it saturate. Then further addition of some water, it will behave as a liquid. So less void means less liquid limit. More voids, which are soil having more voids, lot of voids, lot of water it will be having to make it first saturate. Then further addition of water, it will be going in the liquid limit state. So, guys, from here what we can see, guys, that less voids, less liquid limit. So when liquid limit is less, guys, less void means less compressible. That is why it is low compressible. Every time you are studying like randomly, but now today you got the logic. More void ratio means more voids. More void ratio means more voids. Sorry, more liquid limit means more voids. More liquid means more void. More voids means high compressible. Therefore, less liquid limit, low compressible. High liquid limit, high compressible. And intermediate, it will be intermediate. Everyone, please put on the heart sign. Have you got it? Yes, Jha Saab. How are you? Advika Bhandari, welcome. Have you got it, guys? Please put a heart sign on the comment section. Please put a heart sign on the comment section, guys. Okay. Now, even before going this, let me tell you some more basics. Then we will be going there. Guys. Here. Guys, anything which is less than 80 mm is soil. Okay. But the soil is two types of soil. One is coarse grain soil and one is fine grain soil. Okay. Now coarse grain soil means two types of coarse grain soil. Gravel means size is from 80 mm to 4.75 mm. Okay. And here sand means, sand is also coarse grain soil. It is 4.75 mm to 0.075 mm. 0.075 mm is also called as 75 micron. Okay, so two type of coarse grain soil. Coarse grain means large diameter, gravel and sand. Now fine grain soil is again of two type. Okay, one is silt. Silt is from 75 micron to 2 micron the size, and clay, the size is less than 2 micron. That is fine grain soil. Guys. Each and everything will be logic. Just give me 20 minutes of yours, guys. Just give me 20 minutes of yours. Each and every, I am challenging you, guys. If you have seen my earlier session, then it's other thing. Otherwise, if you are seeing for the first time, you will be getting the logic that will not be written in the books, guys. Hi Nandu, how are you? Okay, fine grain soil. Okay, So coarse grain soil is that soil which is less than 75 micron. Sorry, the size is greater than 75 micron. Greater than 75 micron, that is 0.075 mm. And fine grain soil is that soil where the size is less than 75 micron. Now guys, these soils can be distinguished not only on the basis of soil, but there are some other characteristics also. Let me copy this, paste here, okay, then paste here, come on, paste here, come on, paste it here, come on, paste it here, come on. Okay, now guys, these soils that I have written here, these soils which I have written here, coarse grain soil and fine grain soil, are classified, are distinguished on the basis of size. Yes, correct. But there are some other characteristics, like here in coarse grain soil, they are cohesionless. Means two particles of gravel or two particles of sand or one particle of gravel and one particle of sand are not attracted towards each other. There is no charge distribution. So two particles of gravel, two particles of sand, one particle of gravel, one particle of sand, there is no bonding. But here guys, in fine grain soil, there is bonding, cohesive soils, because charge is separated such that there is attraction between the particles. Okay. Guys, in my t-shirt plus and minus both are there. In my here plus and minus proton, neutron, electron both are there. Specs, proton, electron both are there. But here guys, overall it is a neutral. So there is no attraction. But here guys, the positive charges are separated and negative charges are separated. So therefore, there are attraction between them. Now guys, here the very good soil or a well-graded soil that you have studied here. Okay, here the important thing is well graded or poorly graded. Here the important thing is well graded or poorly graded. Well graded means, suppose there is a soil like this, twin, big particles are there, big particles are there, big particles are there, big particles, medium size 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 particles are there, 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 and small particles are also there, 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 small particles are, so large, XL, double XL, medium, small, everything is there. So of course guys, this will be highly density will be high. Why? Because voids are filled with the small particles voids are filled with the small particles so voids will be occupied. High density is well. High density means more strength. High density means more strength. That is well graded. Now poorly graded means these are coarse grain soil. If all particles are of same size guys, then guys, if all particles are of same, no small particles poorly graded soil, or it is also called as uniform graded soil. Poorly or uniform graded soil, because small particles are not there to fit so density is not high so its density is low so strength is not more. And there is one more soil, gap graded, when big particles are there and very small particles are there, medium size are not there, either big or small, a certain range is not missing, that is gap graded. Very good, well graded is very good soil. If density is high, strength will be low, and poorly or uniform graded soil is bad. But guys, this WP, well or poor, guys, this WP, well or poor is only related to coarse grain soil, is only related to coarse grain soil. They have nothing to do with fine grain soil. Nobody will teach you like this, yaar. Sir, why it is nothing to do with fine grain soil, sir? Why, sir, these well and poor have nothing to do with fine grain soil? Sir, please tell me. Because guys, in fine grain soil, in cohesive soil, even guys, the soil is like this. Okay, in fine grain soil guys, even if the particles are of same size, there is no smaller particles. There is no smaller particles guys. There is no smaller particles. You cannot say them poor. Because दूर से देखा तो गंजे खेल रहे थे, पास जाके देखा तो अंडे उबल रहे थे. दूर से देखा तो गंजे खेल रहे थे, पास जाके देखा तो अंडे उबल रहे थे. When you are seeing from very far, guys, all particles are of same size. But when, okay, so you are thinking, oh, small particles are not there, so it is poor. But when you go near, oh my God, even the voids are there. Even there is no small particles, but still it is very, very strong soil because of cohesion, because of attraction, guys. So in fine grained soil, W and P has no significance, guys. W and P is significance for coarse grained soil. Why I am telling you all this? Because while telling you classification, all these things will be important. So fine grained soil, these things will not be important, guys. For fine grained soil, what will be important for fine grained soil, guys? Liquid limit. Guys, water content is very important property. Water content is very important property for fine grained soil because, okay, liquid limit. Because, guys, with a small addition or a small subtraction of water leads to large change in the properties of fine grained soil. But a small addition or a small subtraction will not be changing the properties of coarse grained soil, but water content is very important for fine grained soil. So this is called gradation. It is poorly graded or well graded. This is gradation. So gradation is important for coarse grained soil, and liquid limit is important for fine grained soil. Everybody on the comment box till now, any doubt? Please let me know. Please let me know, guys. Any doubt till now? Everyone, please tell me. Please tell me. Keep liking and sharing the session with all, guys. Come on. Okay. Now you have understood all these things. Now you have understood all these things. Let us go further. Let us go further. Everyone. Okay, classification. Ranjan Jha, enjoying or not? Rajan Jha. All clear. Maja aa raha hai, Rajan? Okay. Now, guys, there are various sieves. Okay, there are various sieves like this, na? Various sieves like this. Total 11 sieves are there. So if we would suppose 1000 gram of soil, that is 1 kg. So after shaking, we get different size of particles at different places. So we'll be knowing the size of particles. Okay. So guys, if there are two classifications, either a soil will be called a coarse grained soil. Coarse grained soil, guys, means when out of the 1000 gram soil, more fraction is coarse grained soil. Simple, guys. Take a 75 micron sieve. 75 micron bigger is coarse grained soil and lesser is fine grained. So if you pour the soil on that and if you sieve it, if the above the retained particle is more than 50%, that means bigger particle is more than 50%, it is coarse grained soil. If it has gone down, then it will be a fine grained soil. If more than 50%, take a 75 micron sieve here. Take a 75 micron sieve. SIEVE. Pour the soil. Some particles, bigger particles will be here, some particles will be, smaller particles will be here. If more than 50% is retained, it will be coarse grained soil. If more than 50% is passed through, it will be a fine grained soil. For the tie case, I will be telling you. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Rajan, have you taken the admission in Resultant? Are you a Resultant students? Okay. Now, moving further. Now, this is the case when coarse grained soil is more. That means more than 50% is coarse grained soil. Now, case 1 has 3 cases. Case 1.1, fine means, guys, fines means fine grained soil. Fines means fine grained soil. Now, more than 50% is coarse grained soil. This fines is less than 5%. Sorry, this is less than 5%. Fines is less than 5%. So, that means coarse grained soil is more than 95%. That means out of 1000 gram soil, guys, 960 gram, that is 96% is coarse grained soil, or 970 gram is coarse grained soil, or 980 gram is here, 98%, or out of 1000 gram, 990 gram is here. That will be a coarse grain soil. So the first case means coarse grain soil is anyhow has to be more than 50%. Now it is saying that coarse grain soil is more than 95%. More than 95%. That means out of 1000 gram, 960 gram, 970 gram, 990 gram, 985 gram, 955 gram is coarse grain soil. 95.5%. Means 5 is fines means fine grain soil. 4.5%, 3%, 2%, very less. So Rajanja, our batches are starting from 11th of July. Okay, new batch, geotechnical I am starting. If you want, you can connect me. My number is in the description box of this video, or you can connect me in Civil by Abhinav's Telegram group. There are various ways. In my Telegram group, my number, everything is written. Now, if fines is less than 5%, the name is GW, GP, SW, SP. Well graded gravel, poorly graded gravel, well graded sand, or poorly graded sand. 4 names are here. Now, wait. I am telling you each and everything. I am telling you each and everything, guys. So here, the 4 names are there. Okay. In case 1.1, 4 names are here. GW, well graded gravel, poorly graded gravel, well graded sand, poorly graded sand. 4 names are here. This is the case when fines is less than 5%. That means out of 1000 gram soil, 96%, 97%, 98%, 99% is coarse grain soil. Okay. How these names are there, I will tell you. Now case 1.2, fines are greater than 5 and less than 12%. That means out of 1000 gram, 940 gram is coarse grain soil. That means 60 gram is fine grain soil. That is 6%. Out of 1000 gram, 900 gram is coarse grain soil and 100 gram is fine grain soil. That means 10% is fine grain soil. This is this case. So here the names are GW, GC, GP, GC, GW, GM, GP, GM, clay, well graded gravel containing clay in the gravel, poorly graded gravel containing clay in the gravel, well graded gravel containing silt in the gravel. M means silt. Poorly graded gravel containing silt in the gravel, containing clay. अच्छा हाँ, poorly graded gravel containing clay in the gravel. Same for sand. Well graded sand containing clay in the sand. Poorly graded sand, P means poorly graded sand containing clay in the sand. Well graded sand containing silt in the sand. Poorly graded sand containing silt in the sand. These 8 names are there. How these 8 names? How these 4 names? Why these 4 names? Why these 8 names? Why the name is like this? Why the name is like this? Everything I am telling you. Don't worry about that. I am just telling you the things like logic I am telling you after 2-3 minutes. And here the names are clayey gravel, silty gravel, M means silt, clayey sand or silty sand. 4 names are here. And here also in fine grain soil, when more than 50% is fine grain soil. Here less than 5% is fine grain soil, 5% to 12% is fine grain soil, more than 12% and less than 50%. Obviously, if it is case 1.3 means coarse is more. So more than 12 and less than 50. And more than 50 is fine grain soil. The names are CL, CI, CH, ML, MI, MH. Sir, why the names are different? Why there W and P is there? Why it is not here? Why here LIH? Why it is not LIH? From where all these names are there? Each and everything I am telling you now. Each and everything I am telling you now. See guys, first of all, here fines are, let me tell you one more thing. Before telling you the logic, let me tell you one more thing. Guys, gravel and sand you can very easily find out from the sieves. Gravel and sand you can very easily find out from the sieves. Okay, suppose the coarse grain soil is there, okay, and this is 4.75 mm, and this is 75 mm. So if you throw the soil, whatever is coming here, that will be gravel, and whatever is coming here, that will be sand. Greater than 4.75 mm is gravel, and greater than 75 micron and less than this, that will be sand. Greater than 75 micron and less than this, that is sand. So gravel and sand we can easily distinguish. So sometimes name is gravel G and sometimes S. Guys, let us stick to this case. When fine grained soil is less than 5%. So name will be G or S. Name will be G or S. Simple. If gravel is more, it will be gravel. If sand is more, it will be sand. Now, many times I am saying these students are having some doubts that if both are same, then so tie, na? Tie. That tie also I'll tell you. When there is a tie, what to do? I'll tell you. Now, if gravel is more, it will be gravel. If sand is more, it will be sand, guys. How to distinguish? On the base of C's, we can find out what is gravel, how much is gravel, how much is sand. So, first letter will be G, first letter will be S, that you know. W and P, guys, there is some CU and CC, coefficient of uniformity and coefficient of curvature. Okay, D60 by D10, I am not going in that. There are some parameters. If you have not seen that video, I am not going into that. So, on the base of CU and CC values, we can find out W and P. Generally, if CU is greater than 6 and CC is in the range of 1 to 3, it is W for sand. Otherwise, it is poor. So, I am not going into that. So, W and P we can find out from the CU and CC value. So, how the name will be there? If gravel is more, it will be G. If sand will be more, it will be S. If CU and CC are in the range is there already. So, it will be W, it will be P. Otherwise, it will be P. So, that we can identify. Now, guys, gravel and sand, we can identify like this from Sieve. But, guys, fine grained soil cannot be identified on the basis of Sieve, because sieves are not giving the accurate result in fine grained soil, because, guys, sometimes for fine soil the particles are here, but actually since they have cohesion, so they make flock. A small particle make a flock with other particles and becomes a bigger particle because of cohesion. In fine grained soil there is a cohesion, so small particles make a flock and make a bigger particle, and it is not coming down. Actually it is small size, but due as it has made a gucha, it has made a flock, it is not going down. So fine grained soil doesn't, we cannot get the correct results with sieve. Okay, so we have to do hydrometer and pipette method or whatever there. But of course, hydrometer, pipette here we are not doing. What we will be doing here, guys? There is a plasticity chart. There is a plasticity chart. Here on y-axis, I will be writing IP. Here on x-axis, I will be writing WL. There is a A line. Okay. There is a A line. A line equation is y-axis, that is y. Y is equal to 0.73, x-axis, that is WL minus 20. This is the equation of this line. So, of course, when WL is 20, IP will be 0. IP will be 0. So, 22, where it is? 22, 35, 35 to 50, okay. 20, 35, 50 and more. So like this, okay. So if particle is above A line, it will be clay. Okay, CL, CI in this region CH. If particle is below line, it will be silt, ML, MI, MH. It can be organic also, OL, OI, OH. Now people teach this and go further. I will tell you the logic why it is above clay and below silt. I will tell you the logic. But first of all, guys, below it can be silt also, organic also. How to distinguish? Guys, organic soil is dark in color, and if you heat the organic soil, large amount of loss is there, because along with the water, organic compounds also oxidize. So when you heat the soil and if there is a small decrease in the weight, then it will be silt. If there is a large decrease in weight, it will be organic, because In organic soil, along with water on heating, organic compounds also oxidize. But in our theoretical civil, it is GATE, ESE, State Service Examination, or any other examination, guys. GATE, ESE, SSC, any other examination. Of course, guys, we will not be hitting the soil now. They will not be giving the question number 23. Along with question number 23, they will not be giving the soil to heat and identify. If they give the soil, oven will not be there. If oven is there, the sufficient time is not there. So guys, in our exam, we don't have to do this. This I am telling for interview. In our exam, if it is below, we will be taking silt only, not OL. So why above clay, guys? Because clay is more plastic in nature. So y-axis is plasticity, IP, plasticity index. Clay is more plastic. That is why it is above A line. Nobody will tell you. I am telling you this. So say everybody, it is above, it is clay. If it is below, it is silt. Why it is above, it is clay? I have told you. Give me yes or no in the comment box, guys. Give me yes or no. Everyone. Are you getting this or not? Are you getting this or not? Are you getting this or not? Please tell me here. Enjoying the glass or not? Above is clay because clay is more plastic. Above is clay because clay is more plastic. Okay. Below is silt because it is less plastic. Y-axis will be lesser for that. Okay. So above is clay, below is silt. I already told you at the beginning, logic. If more liquid limit, more voids means high compressible. So right hand side is H and H. Less liquid limit, less voids, less compressible. So here is some dual nature also between 4 to 7 in this region. 4 to 7 it is like CLML both it is showing the property of CLML both. Okay, sorry, at 4 to 7 it is showing the dual region. Okay, so guys, clay or silt is distinguished on the basis of this plasticity chart. How? Let me tell you. They will be giving the question, suppose WL is 40 and IP is 20. So we have to identify that whether it is clay or silt. So what is A line? This yellow line, this yellow. IP is equal to 0.73 WL minus 20. So on A line, if WL is 40, so 0.73 40 minus 20. Okay, IP is equal to 0.73 40 minus 20 is 14.6. That means on A line the point is 14.6. Okay, 35 to 50. Liquid limit is 35 to 50, 40 in between, 14.6. And our IP is bigger. Our IP is bigger. 20. So it will be CI. It will be CI. Got it? Got it, guys? Everyone, please let me know. Please let me know, guys. Everyone. Tell me, please. Tell me, please. Rajendra, if you want to connect me, guys, my team will be sharing your number, my number. This is my number. Okay. Now, going further, everyone. So, I told you where is that? Yes. Gravel or sand on the base of Sieve and C and M, clay and silt on the base of plastic chart. So here the name will be well-graded gravel containing clay in the gravel, poorly graded gravel containing clay in the gravel, well-graded gravel containing silt in the gravel, poorly graded gravel containing silt in the gravel, well-graded sand containing clay in the sand, poorly graded sand containing clay in the sand, well-graded sand containing silt in the sand, poorly graded sand containing silt in the sand. Here it is clayey gravel, silty gravel, this. So this I have told you. Now how the name will be this, guys? First letter, if it is this case 1.3, fines is greater than 12%. So first letter will be G or S. First letter will be G or S. First letter will be G or S depending on. First letter is G or S depending on gravel is more or sand is more. On the basis of this, we can identify whether gravel is on the basis of Sieve. And C and M, if it is above, it is C. If it is below, it is M. So in this case 1.3 names are this. How to identify, I told you. And here it will be like this. If first letter will be G and third letter will be G. If gravel is more than sand, first letter is S and third letter will be S if sand is more than the gravel. W and P on the base of CU and CC values, and C and M on the basis of plasticity chart. Now, why these names are there, guys? Why these names are there, guys? Let me tell you, guys, when fine, listen the logic now. When fines are very, very less, when fines are very, very less, when fines are very, very less, there is no occard, there is no virtue, there is no significance of fine grained soil. Therefore, neither the word clay is there, C is there, neither the word silt is there, neither the word LIH is there. LIH is related to liquid limit. LIH is related to fine grained soil, and WNP is related to coarse grained soil. So here fine is so less than 5%. Fine is so less. Fine is so less. Fine is so less. We have not written clay, C, we have not written M. Now, guys, little bit more fine. Here less than 5%, little bit more fine. So we have given, okay, C and M value we have given. C and M also we have added because fines are little bit added, 5 to 12%. So we have given the place for the name of phi. Here fines are more. So out of the full 2-letter word, 50% I am giving the weightage to the fine. See, guys, here G and W both are, see, G and S coarse grained soil, W and P are also coarse grained soil. So both the names, 100% name is related to coarse grained soil because fines are very, very less. Here little bit fines are more. So out of the 4 letters, 1 letter is for fine grained soil, 1 letter is for fine grained soil. These 3 letters are for coarse grained soil. G and G is coarse grained soil itself. W is also related to coarse grained soil. So 25% weightage to fine grained soil. Out of 4 letters, 1 letter is related to fine grained soil. Here 50% weightage because fines are further increased. Okay, and now, guys, when fines are more than 50%, they are not thinking, they are not giving accommodation to coarse grained soil. When fines are more than 50%, everything is related to fine. C and M on the basis of plasticity chart. If it is above, it will be clay. If it is below the A line, it will be M. And LIH is also on the basis of, LIH is also related to fine grained soil, na? So here both the letters are related to fine grained soil. So, guys, fine grained soil is very important. In, guys, just 13%, 14%, 15%, they are taking 50% contribution in the name. So when they are more than 50%, they have taken all the 13. There is no gravel G, there is no sand S, there is no W, there is no P. Everybody on the comment box, have you got it? Everybody on the comment box, have you got it? Okay. Now, guys, one more thing. Suppose, guys, the name, where is the chart? Where is that chart? Here. Guys, suppose, yeah, suppose the point comes here, exactly here. So the name will be given MICI. Suppose the name point comes here. So the name will be given MIMH. Okay. Suppose the name is coming here, then also MIMH. You will not give it long name MICI. Okay. This is MICI. This is MI. Here the name will be, it will be MLMI. You will not give MLCL, MICI. Not that much big name. Here it will be MLMI, MICI, MIMH. If these are things are coming at the boundary. And, guys, let me take a beautiful question. Guys, solve this. Solve this. Beautiful question. Here, in a 51% particles are passing through 4.75. So that means 4.75 bigger particles are 49%. And bigger than 4.75 mm is gravel. So gravel is 49%. 2%, so 51% are going down, in which 2% are passing through 75 micron sieve also. So 2% is fine grained soil and 49% is sand. 49% is sand. Here, so gravel is more. Guys, it will be which case? Case 1.1, case 1.2, case 1.3. It is which case? Hi Gagandeep, how are you? How are you, Gagandeep? Thank you for being here, guys. How is Chotu? Guys, tell me. Tell me, please. Oh, gravel and sand both are equal. Guys, let me tell you this picture. This picture is not an ordinary picture. This picture is of Cricket World Cup final match. Cricket World Cup final match. 50 overs Cricket World Cup. Men's World Cup final match. Let me tell you guys, 2019, New Zealand make some 243 runs. England also make 243 runs. It is a tie. And guys, here it is not stopping. Let me tell you, super over. In super over, guys, that time, super over again tie. Oh my God, it is not a gully cricket match. It is a match of World Cup final. It is a match of World Cup final. Both are tie. 243 runs New Zealand made, England made the same run. Super over also tie. Now these days rules are changed. The super over is tie, one more super over. But that time, guys, on the basis of more boundaries, England have scored more boundaries in 50 overs. So they are declared as the World Cup winner, guys. This is not an ordinary match. Suppose boundaries are also tie. Suppose boundaries are also tie, then if boundaries are also tie, then they will take the 10th mark sheet of all 11 players of England and 10th mark sheet of all New Zealand. Jiska average zyada hoga, whose average will be more, they will be winner. No. Okay. So guys, that time on the super over is also tie. On the basis of more boundaries England has scored, they are declared as the winner. Here is also that tie, 49%, 49%. This is case 1.1. Fines less than 5%. This is case 1.5 less than. Fines less than 5%. Fines are only 2%. So either the name will be GWGP, SWSP. So either the name here will be here GW, GP, SWSP. Guys, when tie is there, biggest is gravel, then sand, then silt, then clay. These are fine grain soil. If tie is here, BJP and Congress are tie. If BJP and Congress are tie, then the independent members will be deciding now who will be forming the government. Independent members will be deciding now who will be forming the government. If BJP and Congress are tie, these will be deciding. If gravel and sand both are same, then these 2% fine grain soil, the size is more near to sand na. So sand is preferred. When gravel and sand both are there equal, then sand is preferred. Sand has given the advantage because the other things are nearer to sand. The die sizes are near to sand. Similarly, when silt and clay both are same, silt is given the preference. Why here I have not given the name CLCI? Why I have given MLMI? Silt is given the preference because if silt and clay both are tie, then other soil is more near to silt size. Okay, gravel and sand is given the preference. Silt and clay tie, silt is given the preference. Sorry, silt and clay, yes, silt is given the preference. So here, everyone, gravel and sand both are there. So the name will be this. So gravel with sand will be given the preference. So these name will not be there. SW and P, SW or SP, and these are in the range of W. So it will be SW. Got it? Do this. Please tell me. Here, percentage finer than 4.75 is 60. So bigger is gravel, na? So gravel is 40% bigger than this. Smaller than 0.075 mm is fines. So fines is 30%. So remaining will be sand 30%. So this is case 1.3. Fines greater than 12%. So in case 1.3, what are the name? GC, GM, SC, SM. Out of gravel and sand, gravel is more. So sand cannot be there. Either it is GC or GM. Either it is GC or GM. So these cannot be there. Now clay and silt. clay and silt. So IP line is equation is 0.73 WL minus 20. So what is liquid limit? Liquid limit is 30. 0.73 35 minus 20. What is this value? 0.73 into 15. Tell me please. Tell me please, girls. 0.73 into 15 is 10.95. It is 10.95. So in A line, it is 10.95. Okay, and our IP is plasticity index is WL minus WP. So what is WL? 35 minus 27. So it is 8. So our IP is 8 and it is 10.9. So our IP is lesser, below. Below means silt. So it will not be GC, it will be GM. It will be GM. Okay, got it? So guys, there is U line also. A line is here, 0.73 WL minus 20. U line is here, 0.9 WL minus 8. IP is equal to 0.9 WL minus 8. No need to remember. If point is above A line, na, it is clay, and it below A line it is silt. But if it is here, na, repeat the experiment. If the point is above the U line, na, then it is an unrealistic value. Guys, if I say you, in India has played against Australia T20 match and India has made 3 lakh runs. Unrealistic value, na? So if the point is going above this region, it is unrealistic value. That means you have done some experiment mistake. For finding out the liquid limit, do repeat the experiments. Okay. So guys, HPCL test series is there. You can go on our app on the Play Store, guys. You can download the app, links in the description, and buy the test series. Okay, with rupees 399. This is a different test series. Along with it, some practice questions also we are giving for free. Some formula notes also we are giving the free with this. Okay, guys, from 11th of July. Now this is very, very important. From 11th of July, new fresh batch is coming. New fresh batch for GATE and ESE is coming. New fresh batch of GATE and ESE is coming from 11th of July, where I'll be starting from Geotech. All the subjects will be live. You can watch the classes live. You can watch again infinite number of times recording also. PYQ will be there. Study notes will be there. Workbook will be there. Question bank will be there. Complete test series exactly like GATE platform will be there. So everything will be there, guys. Okay, so 11th of July the new batch is starting. You can join that. Okay, everything. So from 11th of July, English and Hindi both batches are starting for 1 year also and 2 year. If you want, you can join. If you want to connect me, guys, you can connect me in Telegram, Civil by Abhinav sir. 6,200 students are already there. Also, guys, you can connect me on my number 93549 16360. Abhinav Negi. Okay, you can connect me for 11 July fresh new batch. 11 July fresh new batch. Okay. Any doubt? Any doubt, friends? You can let me know on the comment box of this video as well. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the session, guys. See you in the next class, guys. Thank you all. Take care, everyone.